Oh my God, y'all. I didn't even move the Corvette. This hail is coming down extremely, and I mean extremely hard. I see it bouncing all on there, right there. Oh my God. Look at how big these balls are. These are the size of golf balls. Look, right here. Oh my God. Oh. Oh my God. Look at how big these hail balls are. Oh. Look at this. Look. And the one time I did not park it in the parking garage, man. It's unbelievable. Damn. Look at the balls in the grass. Damn. Still raining right now. I want y'all to see how big these, look at how big them balls are. Look at this. Everywhere. That's how big they are. Alright, I lifted it up right there. Got no damage there. We're still gonna go ahead and put it up in the parking garage, but I don't think we got damage anywhere. But let's just make sure. I feel pretty bad for my neighbor, man. He literally just got this brand new Bronco, man. Maybe a week ago, 2 at the very most. Look, I can see all the dings right here. It's dinged up bad. And that's not including whatever is done to his roof. So, yeah, man, this hail came down stupid retarded bad. But let's go ahead and put this thing up in the parking garage. Take no more chances. Let's go. Look at how big that is. These things are humongous. It doesn't look that big on the camera maybe, but I'm just letting you know these things are humongous. And this thing was fucking up everything. But I didn't have the nose of the Corvette sticking out too far when I had it parked here. I should have just parked in the parking garage, but the nose of it was like, I'll tell you, right about here, and the rear end was right here by the ATV. So like the ATV, you can see that like this didn't even get wet. Look at it. I mean the front a little bit, but that's it. Thing did not even get wet like that. So there you have it though. Let's get it. Let's go.